Fog. Fog comes in a few different types. Radiation fog forms when the ground cools at night. Since the ground is cold, it cools the air directly above it. If that air gets cold enough, its water vapor condenses into its liquid state. The colder it gets, the more air will become cold enough, causing more fog to form vertically. If there is a slight breeze, then the water vapor will be able to spread vertically. However, if the wind is too strong, then the fog scatters into a state of invisibility. Next, there is advection fog. When warm, moist air moves over a cold surface,